SB19 Airport salubong for Temecula Simula at Wakas World Tour Concert. In less than 24 hours after their Vancouver concert, heto, balik US na naman ang SB19 and their team for their Temecula Simula at Wakas World Tour Concert.
Hi, Leia. Hi, Jack. Stel. Hi.
So sorry, Stel.
Hi, Josh.
Hi, Josh. I have something for you. Tara po. Josh.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Pao. I have something for you, okay?
God bless, Pao.
Bye, Pao.